Everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of August 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. So let's see what is coming up for Capricorns for the month of August 2020. I will be adding charms, I will be adding color card, I will be adding oracle card as well, so stay tuned. And now while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily readings. And you can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will add the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's see. Let's get into the reading. Let's see what is coming up, Capricorns. Let's begin. Strength. Four of Swords, Ace of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, the Justice. Let's take one more card, Eight of Swords. Underneath the deck, we do have the Hermit. I do see you starting of the month with a lot going on in your mind about, about people, their opinions, their how they're gonna take it, how they're gonna, whatever it is that is going on in your life. I do see you as a person who is trying to gain their strength back, and working on building their confidence around their decisions. I feel like, there is something that is happening in your life right now where you have to go alone about it. Like, it is a decision that you do see um, no support coming from the people around you, be that your family members, be that your friends, be that your colleagues. I do see you having um, some sort of a situation in your life in the month of August where you will have to go alone, taking the step that you want to take, where you have to stand tall for yourself, for what you believe in. And you might not have support coming from the other people, so you have to stay very strong around it. I do see that somehow this decision, this step that you are taking in the month of August is going to be about your love life. It is a decision that you will be taking around your love life. Maybe your family, your close friends and family will be telling you not to get married to this person. They will be telling you not to accept the offer coming from this person, but you would want to go for it. You are trying to have the strength to go for this connection, to go for this relationship. And you are like, you have been thinking about it lately as well, maybe in the month of July as well, or maybe before that as well. But now you are finally getting the strength to talk about it, to take this decision of your life. The energies that I'm picking up could be coming from the person that you are dealing with as well. So just pick how it is resonating with you in your situation. But yes, I do see that you will have the strength. You will go for what you believe in. You are going to either propose to the person, or you are going to receive the proposal that you have from a person in your life. This person does make you happy. This person is your happiness, but at the same time, the decision is going to be very tough. But yes, you should not let your the fear coming around it, because of the no support coming from the people that you believe that would support you. um you have a very little bit of chance to let that fear stop you from having what you want. It's going to be a constant effort that you will have to put in the month of August to stand by what you believe in, to not let your fears stop you, to not listen to the people around you, to not let people have the power to stop you. Like, you really have to go with what you believe in. You really have to stay strong that way. But yes, there are there will be this constant inner conflict that you will be having in the month of August around this connection. But I do see you choosing to give justice to this person, this connection that you have in your life. For very few of you, I feel like maybe whatever you are thinking, like, your family is not going to support you. Maybe you are thinking that your love offer is not going to get accepted by the family of the person that you are dealing with. For some of you, maybe it's all in your head. Maybe if you tell your parents that this is my decision, they are going to approve of, give you the approval of that decision. Maybe it's just that you're overthinking about, the scenarios, that the possibilities that can, happen for you in this particular situation. So you really have to keep your mind clear. Stop letting your fears stop you. Stop getting into or indulging into overthinking right now, because I feel like, it for majority of you, but to be very honest, I feel like, with the Eight of Swords here, I feel like, for majority of you, whatever you are thinking negative right now, that maybe you have to stay strong, maybe you have to take the decision for yourself, maybe, your family is not going to support you, maybe, they are going to reject you, whatever it is, maybe your person is not going to accept the love offer that you are offering, whatever it is, it's more of your inner fear, I believe, and that's being caused by the over thinking here around the same situation. So whatever it is that you believe in, whatever it is that you really want to go for, just go for it. Don't waste your time and energy overthinking about it. Take the decision and go for it. Don't let your fear stop you, because I feel like, um, it's going to be a constant effort, because you are, as you're starting of the month, you are trying to be strong enough to go for this. You are trying to be, you are weighing all the pros and cons, but I feel like, you are thinking way too much about what can go wrong than what can go right. So you really have to, do something around that. Like, you really have to stop thinking of what can go wrong. Just go for it. Don't overthink here. Let me take one card from the middle of the deck. Nine of Wands. Okay, one last card. The Sun. You really have to stop overthinking and worrying about it. Just go for the decision. Trust me, everybody in your life is going to accept that decision. I don't see any negative energy coming from the outside. It's more of your inner conflict that you are having around this person or around this situation. Let's take one card from the Romance and Oracle cards. Let's see what it has to add to the reading for you guys for the month of August. Let's see what is coming up for you. Children, your love life is being affected by children. It can be your childish attitude towards this connection as well. For some of you, maybe the person that you are dealing with, maybe either they are, already married, or they have child or children, and maybe that's something which you are worried about. Maybe you are feeling like, maybe your family is not going to allow you to get married to a person who already has kids. It can be that kind of fear again. But I feel like, whatever it is that you are thinking right now, or which is stopping you from taking this decision, I feel like, it's more of the fear. There's no reality to it, so just be mindful of that. Just go without, overthinking about it. Just go for what you believe in. Let's take one more card from this deck, and then we will take charms. Let's see which color is going to be lucky for you. Gray, sorry, silver. Number 27, be persistent. Yeah, you really have to continuously, putting in the effort to keep yourself strong in this particular situation. You will be having inner conflict around it. You will have to keep telling yourself, no, you can do it. They are going to accept it. You have to keep yourself strong and stuff like that. The more you are going to be able to maintain that strength, nothing can go wrong. But yes, you do have negative thoughts, you do have mental blocks, you are overthinking about it. That could be the reason which can, bring some issues. But to be very honest, I don't think that, you will have any issues. It's just that you are thinking maybe, things might get wrong. But you take the step, everything is going to be perfectly fine. So yeah, let's take charms now. Let's see what the charms has to add to the reading for you guys in the month of August. No alphabets. Seven of Swords. You're going back and forth around this. Um, you are going back and forth around this. Plus, you are having some um, devilish thoughts around it. Like, you don't need to. You are just being very critical about this, decision of your life. You just have to allow things to happen, and believe that everything is perfectly fine. Especially at night, I feel like, you will have some I don't know. It's like, there is something. There will be something which is going to stop you. Like, maybe you need to give it a second thought. Maybe you need to give it a second thought. Maybe you need to give it a second thought. For very few of you, there will be influence coming from an outsider as well. Maybe your parents or your family is not going to be like, I started the reading with the same energy, with this, danger sign here, plus this card here, which I usually don't take it, in the I find it very negative. So maybe for some of you, yes, there will be some sort of some sort of situation where you have to go alone. Maybe your family might not support you, but whatever it is, go with what you believe in, because otherwise, if you don't go with what you believe in, you would regret that decision. Plus, it's your life, your decision. So and I do see that you will be happy making that decision, whatever it is that you want to go about. Try to play some positive, happy music, which makes you feel more calm, and have inner peace. Love and beloved, you love this person a lot, but yes, there are certain fears coming, or maybe these fears are triggered by the people that you are dealing people that you have in your life who are influential, or it can be your inner fear as well, that maybe they are not going to accept this person or something around those lines. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the month of August 2020. If the reading resonates with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.